Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, Chrysler 200. I can't remember what year it is. It doesn't matter. No start. It was towed in. In fact, I think they say, yeah, the shift is stuck in neutral. Now, I see this complaint a lot, guys, and I talked about this in a previous video about what can happen when one of your modules come out of sync. Remember, guys, this is modules are chained together and they have to communicate with each other. And on this particular model, there's a feature, or there's a feature called Proxy Alignment that is real complicated to explain. Okay, I need to brush up on the English or brush up on the knowledge before I try to speak on it. But I am aware that if one of those modules are out of proxy alignment, this could happen. I see this all the time in the chat room, guys. Now, and a lot of mechanics not sure how to handle this. They don't know what to do. And I'm going to say this to you mechanics. If you don't have the proper scan tool, you might as well give it up. You're going to have to tow this car to the dealership where they do have the proper scan tool. And some of the mechanics know what to do. Okay? And I use that word very cautiously. Some of the mechanics. I happen to be one of those mechanics. They know, they're very aware of who to give what cars to. The Chrysler 200s, all of those little cars mainly come to me because I know what to expect. I've been there, seen that, and done that. And I know what to look for to find out what it is that I need to know. So basically, let me say this. If you're stuck in neutral, again, you're going to need a scan tool. If you don't have a scan tool, just stop. Just tow it to the dealership. All right? But I'm not sure I can walk you through this. Right now, I need my phone to tie into the network. Okay? So I'll try to screenshot you guys exactly what I would try to capture the fault codes. There's going to be fault codes. Okay? If I had to guess, and I'm not into guessing, guys, I want to say the transmission is out of alignment. Okay? Now, in order for the tow truck guy to get this here, he had to use the shift interlock feature. This won't move, okay, because voltage has either left the electrical system inadvertently, poor connection. A lot of things can cause modules to come out of alignment, proxy alignment. Okay, but I got to get this in the shop. I'm in a hurry right now, so let me do what I need to do to get it started and running. Right now, you get nothing. Yeah, you can push the brake. I got the key right here. I'm pushing the brake. Everything's blacked out. That's a true sign that there's a bus network problem. Okay, so let me do this, guys. Let me get it started, get it in the shop, and we'll talk some more. All right, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. Yes, my suspicion was correct. Okay, the modules are not in sync. Now, I have since synced the modules. So let's see what happens now. There you go, guys. I got the car started. I'm not stuck in neutral. I can go throughout the gears. I can now shift. But guys, just merely putting the modules into sync or proxy alignment or whatever you want to call it, it's not the answer. You got to find out why alignment came off in the first place. And I'm going to show you guys why this set proxy alignment came off. Now, y'all saw those screenshots. Okay, now what I need you to understand with those screenshots, I'm gonna go over two things that will cause you to be knocked out of proxy alignment. Okay, one is this. Let me show you what I had to do. Okay, all right. Yes, a low battery, guys. Yes, battery connections and battery in general. Low voltage, battery going dead on you, or battery going spiking out on you. You have to get that replaced, guys. These computers on these cars are highly dependent on a good, accurate 12-volt charging system, guys. So if you've been having problems with charging system or starting system, the battery issues, yes, guys, this will keep happening. All right. So first sign of battery trouble, get it replaced, guys. I mean, you can take a chance and get it fully charged and all that, but today's batteries, they're not built like they used to, guys. So, and connections matter too. All right. This battery was going in and out. It shows in the car. The horn would blow, everything would work. That's called surface charge. It had a good surface charge, but not strong enough to fire off the electrical system and cause starting, which will in turn may spike one of the modules off Proxi Alignment. I have it now in Proxi Alignment, and I have a good, y'all see I'm charging. I'm putting out 14 volts, okay, but that's not a fix. I'm gonna show y'all what a fix is once I try to sell the job. I'm gonna recommend a few things, okay? Now, also guys, y'all saw in that screenshot, those two modules, the PCM and the BCM, or PCM and the TCM, yes, that could affect Proxi Alignment. What happened was the transmission got knocked out of Proxi Alignment. Now, it's a good practice to get those modules replaced. Yes, guys, the PCM and the TCM needs to be updated, especially on a model like this. They have so many problems with those controllers. If those are not updated, all bets are off, guys. You got to get those updated. All right. So, and keep in mind, some of these year models have recalls on them. You can get them updated for free. I'm gonna speak about that in a different video, but do not sleep on your charging and starting system on a model like this. You will be stuck in neutral. You will not be able to start the car. You will not even be able to shift. All because you ignored the fact that your battery was slowly dying. First sign of battery problems, please, I beg you, get it fixed, or this will happen, and you will end up having to tow. It will cause you more headache. All right, so I got this started. Look, I'm in gear. I'm in drive. I'm about to head into the shop, guys. We'll talk some more once I get in the shop. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. So here we are, guys. This is the same one with the shifter stuck in neutral, guys. I ended up doing a battery test, and yes, guys, lo and behold, the battery failed. Okay, so if you want to have something to blame on why your modules go off sync or fall out of sync, Proxi Alignment and things like that, the battery was dead, guys. So that's how I end up repairing this vehicle. Now, that was this problem. It may not be your problem. That's why diagnosing is crucial. So I got all the modules back in sync, and also another thing I'm taking care of. Let me show you what else I'm taking care of. So yes, guys, as you can see, I am flash updating the PCM and the TCM. Remember, guys, these modules has to be in sync with each other. Okay, both of these modules had a flash update. All right, on this model vehicle, it is crucial that these modules are up to date. So what you see now, basically me flash updating it. This is live, okay? So along with replacing the battery that had a dead cell, it's failed the load test, and flashing these modules, this problem shouldn't happen again, guys. All right, that's all I have, man. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.